Going. Ready? We had 20?
Yeah.
Everybody safe? Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Oh, that's close.
Here we go. Ready? Whoa.
What happened? Is there a hole in the thing?
In your pocket.
Hey guys, we're about to go.
Okay, who's ready with the angle?
Hey, we're
ready
about
with the
to
angle?
go. We're about to go.
Put the nose down.
I don't think they're listening.
Don't ready.
Hey, we're going.
You got the angle right?
Yeah, right now.
Hey Mackie, aim it to the right here. Win.
Give it like a couple seconds.
Oh, that's way too far. Right.
Ooh, there it goes.
There it goes.
2 year left.
Ready?
I exploded.
That fell apart. Yeah, it fell apart.
Cannot wait for this. We are sinking. We are
I'm not there, yeah. Okay.
Alright, don't do it yet. Hold your
Good. 3.
Finish like little girl. Oh.
Yeah.
Apples are clearly insufficient.
Start shocking and then touch it with the second screw. Hey, you gotta get the angle right.
I thought you said to rest it on.
Oh, not there, yeah. Okay.
Alright, don't
good.
do it yet. Hold
Good,
the
that's alright, good.
Ready?
Yeah.
3.
Yeah.
Apples are clearly insufficient to potatoes.
Yeah, potatoes work way better as